In this section we'll see how to disable comments using a plugin. Now, as you can see, by default comments are allowed. Comments in theory are a good idea. However, in reality most of the comments you get will be automated robot spam comments trying to sell you all sorts of things you don't really want. So it's easier just to be done with comments and just disable it altogether. The way you do that is if you click on where it says plugins and add new. Now this time, instead of clicking on popular, what I'm going to do is search for a plugin called disable comments. So sure enough, it's brought up this plugin here. Again, as you can see, it's got over 1 million installations, got fantastic reviews. It hasn't been updated for a while, but it is compatible with the latest version. So we're going to install this. So I click on install and it's now installing. Now when I activate it, keep your eye over here where it says comments. I'll go and activate it. Now the comments are still there, you'll notice. What I have to do is go to disable comments settings, click on everywhere so we get rid of them completely, and again keep your eye here. I'll click on save changes. If I just refresh the screen, you'll see the comments have now disappeared. So that effectively is completely disable the whole comment mechanism. You can, if you want to, use comments and you can moderate them, but honestly it's just more trouble than it's worth. So, you know, if you're running a blog, that's one thing. If you're running a website, just be done with it, disable the comments, and that's it. It's a one-off operation, and no comments anymore.